Hello, my friend. How are you? How are you feeling? Have some news? What the weather? -5. -5 we have today, -5. Yeah. Okay, so no problem. And today we will talk about Toyota MMT. Where is it? This one. Semi-automatic. All about these gearboxes. All about those models, not only this. All of them. All of them semi-automatic, what it mean, what is the gearbox, how it built, how to drive, how to test, how to repair, all from A to Z. All details. Boom! Let's go. So let's go. Let's go party, let's go dance. Yeah. So this video will contain three parts. First, theory. Second, diagnostic and repairing. And the third part, how to drive. So let's start with theory. What it means semi-automatic? What is the gearbox? Where it was installed and maybe installed right now? How it produced it? Who it producing? Yes. So all gearboxes for Toyota producing by company Aisin. Aisin, Japan. All gearboxes, semi-automatic, automatic, manual gearboxes, CVT, all of transmission producing by Aisin. And also Aisin producing for another manufacturer, for Audi, for Volkswagen, for Volvo, PSA, Peugeot. Yes. Okay. So, but in Toyota, all transmission producing by Aisin. And where it was installed, which kind of the car. So it means all Toyota's cars with semi-automatic gearboxes, it's by Aisin, and also Peugeot 107, Citroen C1, that is fully clone of Toyota Aygo. Fully clone. It's not Peugeot the Citroen, no. It's Toyota Aygo. And Suzuki Swift 1.3 also has same transmission, semi-automatic by Aisin. And some of, how to say, the owner of Toyota, it's Daihatsu Charade, it's like Toyota Yaris, and Subaru Trezia, it's Toyota Verso S. So all these models have gearboxes by Aisin, semi-automatic. Okay, so what is the gearboxes? What means semi-automatic? Not automatic, no, it's semi-automatic. It means it's fully same like manual gearbox. Inside it manual gearbox, just it has actuator for clutch and actuator for gears. It means it's a manual gearbox, but clutch and gears make for you the job the robot. That's all the robot. Yes, this is the gearbox semi-automatic robot. It means it has motor and sensor to pressing the clutch, and it has two motors and two sensors for, like you in manual, select and shift gears. That's all. Also it has a lot of wires, additional some sensors, and control module for controlling this gearbox. Yes, but it has few of generation of the semi-automatic. So we have with engine 1.0, 1.3, we have one kind of semi-automatic. It's 5-speed transmission, semi-automatic. It was installed Toyota Yaris, Toyota Aygo, Peugeot, Citroen, smallest one, Suzuki Swift, and Yeah. No, Daihatsu, it's like Yaris, yes. Also, we have 5-speed transmission, semi-automatic robot in 1.4 diesel, 1.6 petrol, and 1.8 in Corolla Verso. And after 2009, Toyota changed for biggest engines 5-speed transmission, then changed to 6-speed transmission. And the 6-speed transmission has also robot, but it different. It has two kind. It's mechanic hydraulic system. It has mechanic and hydraulic. This is the old generation of the semi-automatic. Now, in the smallest engine, 1.0, 1.3, the most problem thing in this system is the clutch actuator. That pressing the clutch. We always have problem with the clutch actuator. Yeah. And all in smallers, it's very strong. It going good, no problem. But in one more biggest engines, it's not so strong, and it make a lot of problem in these gearboxes. In 6-speed transmission, Toyota changed the construction of the clutch actuator, and it start to be very, very stronger. Maybe X5 stronger. It not broken. The mechanic system not broken. Electric, hydraulic, okay, but mechanic very strong. And what the most problem of this car? It's really, I can say that the semi-automatic system in Toyota, it's very simple. It's simplest in all other semi-automatic, and a lot of parts. And Toyota produced a lot of this car. So we have a lot of parts. We have big knowledge by me how to repair. It's no problem. You can repair in-house. No need any special tools. No need. All easy. Easy and very complicated. And the most problem that the people don't know how to do, don't know how to repair, or repair wrong way, repair what no need to repair. And even if you will go to Toyota, them also don't know how to repair this car. Yeah, Toyota don't know. Them will take from you a lot of money, but the car will no repair. So don't go to Toyota. I'll tell you. Them don't know, really. If it was okay, but them don't know. I heard people message me a lot. Never Toyota did this good job of repairing the semi-automatic. If someone from Toyota hear me, you can call me and I will teach your mechanics, no problem, how to repair the cars. Every Toyota garage official can call me and I will help, no problem. It's very easy, really. No problem, okay, no problem. Very easy. Now, so that's all theory about the robot. So it means that it's manual gearbox with the actuators, clutch actuator and gears actuator, okay? And we go into the next part, how to do diagnostic, how to do repair. Now it will more interesting in next part. So see you, bye bye.